Interstellar was developed by the top technology team of Silicon Valley in the United States. With the vast space as the background of the story, smart contracts that use the underlying code of the blockchain to allow the players to participate in mining fairly. At this time, the best thing about the Interstellar is this, that Interstellar is a blockchain technology and it is possible to establish reliable trust between peers in the network so that the value transfer process is free of dependence on intermediaries.
Feel uninvited.
Interstellar main mission is to build a brand new blockchain ecosystem as an optional internet value transfer protocol in the future world and push forward the ease of use and practically of the entire blockchain industry. It is really combining blockchain with gaming and forecasting the market applications to bring the technology to people's daily lives. The main mission of Interstellar is to become the decentralized crypto. Interstellar team will also work to build a complete set of community self-government rules, realize a fair, just and open value and power distribution system, and put forward effective supervision and management regulations to ensure that everyone's personal interests are consistent with the community's overall interests. And also you can say the partnerships and also the people who agree with their ideas will positively promote the community developments. Interstellar participants will get the huge profit from the Interstellar. Whether they are developers, community operators, or investors, can create value by making real contributions to the community. For example, developing this development application to gain the value. Investors investing assets become Interstellar ecological shareholders and operators. Share the benefits by maintaining the community's ecological labor behavior. So the impact on the normal operation of the community. Different participants have different the divisions of the labor, but they all generate the value within the institutional framework and have a positive impact on the operation of the community or the entire ecology. Now here comes the mobile app. Basically, it is a game using blockchain technology. Players can earn through this game star, can also provide the value services in the game to earn star, can also achieve asset conversion within the game through on-chain transaction. Follow up Interstellar, the team continues to join the incentive mechanism, constantly restructuring and upgrading the game so that this game keep Interstellar users have fun. Interstellar, the public chain, is composed of built-in contracts, smart contracts, and oracles, and on the basis cross-chain relays are implemented to allow the Interstellar, the public chain, can achieve the trusted cross-chain interaction with homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now we are going to talk about the Depose Master. Depose Master nodes can publish side chains by mortgage star. In theory, each master node can publish countless side chains. Interstellar introduced the design concept of main chain and multi-level side chains to deal with different business scenario models. Each chain is directed to a business goal and different businesses are allocated to multiple side chains to improve the processing efficiency. Allow the side chain to dynamically join or exit the main chain according to the consensus mechanism.